So, now for a real-world example. So, let us consider the case that Luke Skywalker is locked in an epic lightsaber duel with Darth Vader. Now, we know that sometime during the fight, their lightsabers become locked together at a 90-degree angle. At that time, they are 5 feet away from each other. Given this information, we have to find out how long each of their lightsabers are. Now, the major assumption to make for this question is that the lightsabers are the exact same length. So that means that A is equal to B. So, using the basic Pythagorean theorem, A squared plus B squared equals C squared, where C is equal to 5. Plug in that. So 5 squared is equal to 25. If A equals B, we can sub in B for A here. So it becomes B squared plus B squared is equal to 25. So 2B squared is equal to 25. We bring the 2 over to the other side, so it becomes B squared is equal to 25 over 2. Bring the square sign over to the other side, so it becomes square root. So B is equal to the square root of 25 over 2. After plugging this into your calculators, you should get B is equal to approximately 3.5 feet. Therefore, Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader each have a lightsaber length of approximately 3.5 feet. Example 2 of a real-life application. Consider Starscream traveling close to the speed of sound, going 100 meters in this direction until, out of nowhere, Optimus Prime strikes him down with a missile. Boom! And he goes straight down. And that school just so happens to be 250 meters below. So, given that information, we have to find out 2 things. 1, we have to find out what this angle is between his original path and the path that he took to hit the deaf-mute kids. We will denote this as theta, which is just a Greek letter that is often used for angle measurement. So, remembering SOHCAHTOA, we see that we have the opposite side, and we also have the adjacent side to theta, meaning that we have to use the tangent law. So, to find theta, we write tan theta is equal to opposite, 250, over adjacent, which is 100. So, bring theta over to the other, or tan over to the other side, you get that theta is equal to inverse tan, and of course, if I were to have a calculator, I could tell you what that answer is. So now I will. 68.2 degrees. And that is how to solve any problem given Autobots and Decepticons. And of course, if we wanted to find what this distance is here, we can always use the basic Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So, doing it on a calculator, 100 squared plus 250 squared equals c squared. Square root of that is equal to 269. That is what c is equal to. How cool is that? So, in conclusion, good luck on tomorrow's big final exam.